on, my friends? Welcome to NFT Revolution. My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're discussing Invokers, Ever Up and Onwards. It's an NFT project that is doing really well, and it's extremely community focused, which is the main thing that caught my eye about this project. So let's check out a little bit around the project, then we will read through their website. Now, first is first, we will go ahead and see that their Discord is actually doing really well. They've been keeping really busy with the amount of members they have, and I really respect this project because what they do is they make sure to actually go through and get rid of any bots. That way they know they have exclusively human members. So the cool thing about that is that having that many members is really going to replicate and grow into more members, and it's not a huge collection to start, which is very intelligent of them. I highly recommend checking out their Discord if you want to see sort of what's going on, see, you know, announcements, which is really what I was just reading through, talking about different prizes and giveaways. It is really an NFT that is for the people, and we'll get into that a little bit more as we go, but there's quite a lot that they put in to make sure that the community has really backed this. Now, we can see here on Twitter, they've got 1,500 and growing. And, excuse me. What's really cool about this number, the statistics seem to add up. And again, you know, there's not a fake 10,000, right? It's a real 1,500. It's a real 2,500, excuse me, and that is real numbers, it's real people, and it's going to be a blockchain play-to-earn MMORPG on Solana, which I've been discussing a lot of Solana projects recently. I will tell you personally, I have actually invested a good bit into Solana just due to my real belief in Solana, and you know, to be clear, they were smart enough to understand the beautiful future of what this token has to hold. Keeping in mind, this is of course never financial advice, just my opinions, me discussing with you, my friends, what I think about this crypto, what I think about different NFTs, and just what I think about the crypto world in general. So this one is really amazing. It's 5,000 pieces of 3D NFTs. So not many, as I said, definitely a pretty small collection for how rare these can be. Plus, again, you want to go ahead and buy into a play-to-earn game like this one. We can see some of the video right here, and we will look through their YouTube a little bit for more introductory video, but we can see right here some of their beautiful designs. There we go. So, all right, yeah, I mean, oh, there we go. So you can see right there, again, we'll check out some stuff on their YouTube. Their Medium, by the way, so they've got this created here. They are definitely going to be a lot more active here on the Medium soon, I believe. Just telling you a little bit about what's going on with them, though, and what they've got on the Medium is very informative, of course. Now, the company has been verified and doxed by Civic. Civic Key, I guess, is their Instagram, or excuse me, Twitter is where we are at. Civic, actually, if you're not familiar, I want to show you their Instagram. I guess I'll show you their website as well, just to kind of explain to you. Civic is one that I've actually looked at before. I don't know if I've done a video. I don't think I've done a video on this, but I think I almost did. And Civic is a really cool service. So you can see that they're just providing to a lot of DApp developers, DApp developers. I'm never sure what to call that. You know, it's like GIF and GIF, right? It's whatever. And we can all see, I just made so many of you so mad, I bet, oh my goodness. But I'm Team GIF. We will see here that, you know, it just tells you, basically, they go through, they really check the security of your website, they really check to see how legitimate you are, who the owners are, identify you by the human being, and that way the owners of these projects don't have to dox their entire team if they're not comfortable in the public eye, yet instead, the beauty of what they are doing is verifying for you on behalf of a company that you do know has all of these steps taken. You can actually check the evidence of that as well if you're skeptical. So that's the really cool thing. And we can see here a tweet by them just to show you that they have been verified by Civic Pass. That is really cool, and it's such a smart thing to do, by the way. So Sam Invoker, of course, of the Invoker NFT, is essentially seems to be the owner from what I well, yeah, and it says and ownership, right? So he is a founder and owner, exactly. And so the really cool thing is that, again, he doesn't really have to give out all of his public information, make it a big thing, but also can be verified. The cool thing, it does cost a lot of time and money to get properly verified, so big kudos on this project for doing that. I try to mainly exclusively stick to projects that are verified in this regard, so very cool. Now, this is one of our trailers. Right off the bat, like, beautiful. I love the music. It's just wonderful art. Now, with these trailers, I actually wait to watch them with all of you, because personally, I do not, I don't like to not be, reacting to it with you as we watch. Ooh. As an NFT nerd, this gives me chills, man. If they can really make this look as beautiful as this, I am stoked to play. Amazing. Ever up and onward indeed. Let's see what else they've got here, because that got me really pumped for that. See, okay. Oh, okay. Looks like we got some moving animation. Yeah, see, right off the bat, beautiful character models. This is so well done. Okay, so she's like Atlantis? Maybe she's like a magic user living in some sort of, not really Atlantis, but like Atlantean? I don't know, that was very interesting. I think we're getting a little bit of lore here, my friends. Look like this shark character might be pretty important. Oh, so he's taking revenge. Or did his queen die? Oh, okay, so Rogue Sharks is a project that they must be working with. Those are so cool. I gotta look into Rogue Sharks more. Wow. Dude, that's beautiful. That's amazing animation, honestly. That's so cool. Let's see what else they've got. That looks a little bit too... Alright, those are a little bit too close up on body parts, so we're going to skip those for now, just due to the fact that YouTube is YouTube, and I want to be careful within the rules. Of course, I love it over here, but you just got to be careful within the rules these days, right? And so let's check out a little bit more about themselves as per what they have to tell you. Now, I will go ahead and tell you right now, one of the main points of this is that they will be rewarding you daily. So they will have a token, a native token. I believe it's called INV. I think it's right here. Yeah, INV rewards. So in fact, they put it a little better than I will, so we'll just kind of go through there. But the cool thing, if you stake this NFT, you will get 10 native tokens a day, which is really intelligent to be doing. That's a really cool idea. I love staking projects. As I've told you, I'm a man about my stake, both in the cow sense and in the crypto sense. The Invokers project aims to provide quality and utility to the community by introducing daily INV rewards, in-house staking platform, and play-to-earn MMORPG, which I'm so excited about. Again, I'm going to look up Rogue Sharks. Invokers, a little dyslexic, Invokers team are all hardcore gamers with previous experiences in games, monetization, performance marketing, and game development. Invokers founder Sam has successfully established and exited 2 digital marketing agencies focused on optimizing game mechanics when it comes to monetization and user acquisition. Let's keep going. Invokers NFT. Studio working on the Invokers NFT projects have successfully developed big players in the NFT marketing on both ETH and Sol, with aftermarket volumes traded of over 4,000. Okay, so there's Ethereum involved as well, which, by the way, Ethereum is also my other favorite. Solana's like my new up-and-comer, but Ethereum is like my tried and true old friend. Let's see, volumes trade of 4,000 ETH. Invokers NFTs are the gateway to endless perks, including giveaways on gaming setups, attendance of the Invokers Summit in Las Vegas. Please see perk section for more details, which, yes, they will be like, I think they're giving away a custom gaming setup. Now, this is something that we just watched on YouTube, so we already saw that. Most importantly, the Invokers NFT will act as the original characters in the upcoming Invokers MMORPG. Invokers NFT will never be minted again. They are playable in the game and will be of high rarity. Well, if the MMORPG turns out like it looks, they will be very high rarity. Invokers MMORPG is an open world play to earn quest based game built using Unreal Engine 5.0. Oh, wow. I didn't even notice they were using Unreal. Okay, so most of my gaming nerds out there know what Unreal Engine is, but we have... Man, I thought I had them near me. No, sorry, I don't have them, but I have a bunch of games I could show you, like, just, it's unbelievable how many Unreal Engine games exist that are, like, super popular. So we'll get into, we'll definitely, I'll show you a couple in a second. Invokers MMORPG will allow users to dive into the role-playing world of heroes versus antagonists, level ups, weapon abilities, and different drops which are trade-able on the Solana blockchain using Invokers token. Has been announced and will be the core to the Invokers metaverse. Invokers MMORPG is currently at the end of its pre-production phase and is scheduled to release its beta version for the Invokers NFT holders by Q1 2022. I apologize, my friends, again. I am a little bit dyslexic. I know it doesn't always seem it, but that's why I sometimes have trouble with some words. They're just sort of in that, you know, vein of word that's a little tough on me sometime. Obviously, Invokers is a great name, super cool name. I just keep adding an extra N where it doesn't need to be, so my apologies to everyone on that. I think we all know what I'm talking about, though. This very cool project that I am so stoked about. All my D&D people, by the way, I know I have a lot of D&D friends on this channel. Definitely be checking this one out because you will not regret this. The cool thing, you can see they have just achieved so much, gotten the completion ready to go, gotten the 3D art. So it's got 5,000 2D, 5,000 3D art collection. DAO details, so that's obviously the government of the people, by the people, for the people. And then different airdrops, that sort of thing. So they've got everything there done. Then you can see they are up to date on December, but man, they have gotten so much done in such little time. It's unbelievable. So they've got, you know, they are just moving along at a rabbit's pace is the best way I could put that, and they've got a lot to come in January. That is really when things ramp up for this project. As I said, I'm really stoked on this one. I'm super excited about owning an Invoker. I guess I let that slip on that. I'm definitely investing in one of these, you know, not financial advice. I like to talk about stuff generally that I want to invest in, and this one really gets me pumped up. I'm not going to lie to you. And so because also owning one of these and staking it for a while is a great idea. I just love staking. I'm not going to lie to you. Initial liquidity added by Invokers team of $100,000 on Radium. Permissionless pools, INV priced at 0.5 cents, so excuse me, so 50 cents at launch? Yeah, 50 cents at launch. All holders of Invokers NFT will be able to stake their NFT to receive 10 a day. Ultra Invokers, rarest 20, receive 20 a day. Ooh, that's pretty good. That's a really good incentive for rare for sure. Hold 10 Invoker NFT. DAO membership, you get to decide the project, how it's run, you get airdrops, future sales event, most importantly, decide the roadmap and future, which is awesome. Voting rights on the token, exclusive private channel, and eligibility to join the team. That's really cool. All additional perks. Let's see, the RPG, MMORPG. I know it's an MMORPG. I'm going to start calling it an RPG just for sake of making it a little quicker on my mouth. All NFTs play a crucial part in the upcoming Invokers. RPG NFTs are playable characters by Invokers RPG, launching Q1 2022. Yes, and as I said, January is when a lot of things are coming. January 2022, of course. I'm making this video on December 2021, so I bet you get that. Then full gaming setup monthly raffle worth $10,000. Monthly raffle for a full gaming setup, which includes top shelf custom PC, which is amazing. Gaming chair, gaming headsets, mechanical keyboard, gaming mouse, gaming setup delivered or paid in Solana. That is super cool. Price depends on origin country, up to $10,000. Fair enough. Might be a little more expensive in the United States here soon, my friends. Community decides on raffle mechanics. Please see roadmap. Invokers Gaming Summit at the HyperX Arena in the Luxor Hotel, Las Vegas. That's a nice place, actually. Funny enough, I didn't even notice that that's where that was. I definitely know my parents have stayed there before and quite enjoyed it on some sort of a business thing my dad had. So I'm very interested to hear more about that. And I know that's a really, I mean, Luxor tells it all, right? Very luxury hotel. Great verified DAO for holders of 10 plus NFTs, all at Mythical Invokers. So yeah, the DAO, which is again the community, again, the community government, right? So you can be eligible to join the DAO by nomination of a DAO member if you hold 5 extra entries into all raffles, and exclusive holder private channel. Fair enough. If you hold 1 entry into all raffles, which is super cool that even 1 can get you there, exclusive holders private channel. More perks, exclusive entry into Invoker MMO beta, which is cool, daily rewards through INV, plus weekly Solana raffle. Meet the team. Now, Sam is the owner that we were discussing a little bit earlier. So Sam Invoker, so an entrepreneur hailing out of Dubai, which is a very successful place, by the way. 2 successful startups in performance marketing, influencer marketing, and game monetization. Sam has been doxxed, as we saw by Civic Pass, which that's a company I personally have a lot of trust in. You know, I know that technically, I guess you could be like, well, why do I need to trust them? Well, they're very well backed up, to be honest with you. And working alongside Sam, he has a very large team of people. Let's see, so 4 artists, 2 CG artists, 6 developers, 3 marketeers, and a community manager, so that it all adds up to 17 members on the team, including Sam. That is an 18-person team. So my friends, today we checked out Invokers NFT. I know this was a long haul, but a very fun episode to make because I really love this project and I have a lot of hope for the future and the promise this one brings. As always, my friends, thank you very much for coming by Crypto Coins. My name is Freddie Colton, and I will see you in the next episode.